Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy method on how to use one email address to sign up for multiple accounts. So I'm sure we've all been there. You might have a need for multiple accounts on any given profile, and perhaps you only have one or two emails at your disposal. And maybe you don't want to use, or a lot of sites have banned disposable email address sites. So if you want to have like a temp email address, it's really hard nowadays to get around a lot of website signups unless you have a Google or Yahoo or AOL account. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to take one email address and basically turn it into an unlimited number of email addresses. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to open up a notepad file here. And the nomenclature is going to be pretty identical depending on whatever your situation is. So let's just say you have an email address that's example@gmail.com. So this is just one email address. You would think you could only associate one account with this. So one easy way, if you want to create multiple accounts using the same email address, after you're done typing the email address before the @ sign, you can type the plus number or plus key on your keyboard, and then you can add the number 1, so +1. You can also do +2, +3. You can basically go up as high as you want. So that's one option. You can also add a dot in the email address itself. So if you want to add a dot between the E and the X, for example, no pun intended, this will create another email address that'll still sync back to your original email. And you can do that for any point in between any of the letters here. So a pretty straightforward process on how to do that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.